Conditional formatting processes visual patterns 60,000 times faster than reading numbers. Your brain can scan a color-coded sheet in seconds instead of minutes. Data bars turn cells into mini bar charts. Color scales create heat maps from red to green. Icon sets add arrows, check marks, or traffic lights. These one-click options handle 70% of formatting needs. Custom formulas unlock unlimited formatting logic. Highlight entire rows based on one column's value, flag duplicates across sheets, or color weekends in a date column, all with formula rules. Use the Rules Manager to reorder, edit, and debug conditional formatting. Learn the stop if true setting and why rule order matters. Too many rules slow your workbook. I show how to consolidate. I transform a plain sales data sheet into a visual dashboard using only conditional formatting. Heat maps for performance, icon sets for trends, and formula rules that highlight anomalies automatically. Conditional formatting is the fastest way to make data visual without charts. Subscribe for more Excel visualization techniques.